Vibe coding is fast and fun. Feels like a treat until it tricks you. Endless prompts, lost logic, strange outputs. In this case, turning ideas into an app is not a straight line. That's not vibe coding. That's maze coding.
Hi everyone, I'm Han from Paraflow. Happy Halloween! For the what's news in this Halloween, we've got some new tricks and tips for vibe coding to help you escape the complicated maze coding. Now, let's get started. The first tip, stop haunting your prompt. Input all context you need. For example, I'm currently planning Paraflow's referral program. I would like to add a referral feature to the top right corner of Paraflow's workspace. To quickly replicate this interface, we can first use Paraflow's browser extension to download it as an HTML file. We've also updated the feature, so you can now drag and drop images, empty files, or even HTML directly into the canvas to provide context. So here, we can simply drag the downloaded HTML into the canvas, and after a short moment, we have the Paraflow workspace interface ready. Sometimes, making simple edits after importing HTML is easy, but for more complex changes, current AI might not fully understand. Here's a tip. You can have the AI create a new interface based on the imported HTML, making it much easier for subsequent edits and design work. To add an entry for referral, we can easily duplicate a new entry with Command D and update the text. We also support a new feature that lets you quickly change icons. Clicking the icon opens the current icon library, where you can search for the right one. You can even expand to more libraries for additional options. Here, we've chosen the gift icon for the referral feature to make it more enticing for user to click. Next, let's build a mini interface for the referral feature. Since I've already done some research, I have a rough idea of the layout. So I drew a quick sketch of the pop-up in Excalidraw and pasted it into the canvas for the product agent to use it as a reference. And a little teaser, we'll soon be integrating Excalidraw into Paraflow, making it even easier to quickly sketch out your ideas. Once Paraflow has finished the first draft, I want to refine the content of the pop-up. By now, I already have a detailed Notion document outlining the referral plan. Here, I can directly sync the Notion documents to the canvas and let the AI use the context to enhance the design. As you can see here, to complete the initial design for the referral feature, I don't need to write long, detailed prompts. Instead, simply bring my existing context onto the canvas, letting my AI partner see it together with me. More context and less prompt. Let's move on to the second tip. Logic is the real magic. In my referral dashboard, we also need to add another small feature. Sometimes, we give Paraflow event participants bonus points, and they need a redeem code to claim them. Designing this feature isn't hard. We can easily create a redeem points interface in Paraflow. But in real work, what actually takes time isn't drawing the interface. It's completing the logic behind it. Now, I can ask my AI PM to map them all out. Step 1 is generating a user flow. Even for a simple feature like this, there are multiple possible scenarios. So we can confirm each pass first, and then by creating interface variations for every confirmed state. AI gives me many different options in one go. Something that used to take me forever to organize. Now it's a breeze. Don't wander in the maze, map it. Vibe coding's aha moment doesn't stop at the UI. It happens when your product agent helps you uncover the logic you could never fully untangle on your own. That's where the real magic is. Now, let's move on to the final tip. Make your vibe visible. Spec is the silver bullet. Unlike the endless prompt loops of traditional web coding, Paraflow introduces a spec-driven way to build your product. A spec is a silver bullet. It helps you clear up the chaos of product thinking. At any moment, you can ask your AI agent to create the specs you need. It might be a user map to clarify logic, a document to spark deeper thought. Or a first draft to kick off creation. And when you keep refining it together on the collaborative canvas in Paraflow, you will end up with prototypes that are not only creative, but truly aligned and reliable. Want to actually go from one sentence to a working app? That's usually not reliable. Iteration is the most vital part of creation. This Halloween, say goodbye to maze web coding and start exploring Spec web coding instead. We'll see you soon with more updates coming next month. In the end of this Halloween special, I will show you a little treat before we wrap up. 2 major updates are coming in week 1 of November. The feature we've all been waiting for, Export to Figma, is finally live. You will be able to copy any UI from Paraflow and paste it directly to Figma, with all the structured layouts perfectly intact. Also, we are changing the rules of free credits from refresh monthly to refresh daily. In this case, you'll have more credits to play with. We hope to see you stop by Paraflow every day and get your daily dose of creative vibe.